everybody and welcome back to the channel. So this weekend we are at the
Beetle Juiced Festival.
Beetle Juiced Festival at Jimmy's Farm, just outside Ipswich in Suffolk. So just got here. Lots of people here, very busy actually. Have a little pan round and have a look at the little bit of the camping area in, but the actual camper bit goes for miles. So we are going to get set up, get the awning set up, get everything sorted.
Yes.
And
get a drink in us.
Get a drink in us, yeah. It's Friday afternoon. So right, we'll see you in a mo. Right, okay, so we are set up. We've been set up a little while actually. We had something to eat, a couple of drinks. In here the music has kind of started over in the background over there. So oh, Nat wants her dry robe. How can she be cold? Right, okay, let's go take this dry robe over to her. Hold on. We've got the little alcohol table set up. Pina coladas. I think we'll have another one of them in a minute.
I was getting bitten over there. I've got some long bottoms. Did anyone else bring long bottoms? Yeah, I've got bitten. Well,
So hello everybody.
oh, now they're going again. That's on the back of me. Right, here we go.
Right, I think we are going to wander over to the music in a little while. I'm not going to take the camera or anything over because I know what I like. I'll end up losing it. So I left my phone, so I might try and get some bits on the phone. I'm bloody tired. I'm getting too old for all of this. So right, I think I'll knock up another couple of pina coladas. Right, let's knock these pina coladas up while Nat sits on her backside out there. So awesome little USB powered, USB rechargeable battery blender. So we're gonna have some what was meant to be crushed ice. Not quite so crushed ice. Coco Lopez creamed coconut. Chuck that in, like so. Boy rum. One double. Two doubles.
We need people to come forward to feel the love, man. Come on, don't be shy.
There's probably a bit too much rum in there. And pineapple juice. There's a lot of ice in there. There's a shitload of ice in there. Oh, I think we need a bit more. Gotta get the pineapple juice. I'll be back. Pineapple juice. Right. Where's the lid? Where's the lid? Okay, here we go. Yeah, it lights up, look. How smart is that? With a bit more of a blend. That's £19 from Amazon. awesome little coconut cups that Nat found on Amazon as well. Right, where are we? Can't really see, can you? Yes, right. Let's have a look at them. If you like pina coladas, getting caught out in the rain, and then the top goes on these little coconut cups. Don't forget to store him first. That is going off over there. Anyway, right, I think that's enough of that, me making pina coladas. I'll see you in a while. We haven't really recorded a great deal, have we?
No, we haven't.
This festival, because we've been a little bit inebriated. But brilliant weekend, absolutely brilliant weekend. Beetle Juiced Festival. So we're off again onto the arena tonight. Not that you can probably hear this, but right. Put the phone away and we're going to enjoy ourselves. Hopefully you can hear us. Who have we got here tonight? Oxide and Neutrino, and any of you old school ravers out there, the Rat Pack, not Frank Sinatra Rat Pack, but it is MC Lipmaster Mark and DJ Everson Allen. I think that's the right way round. From way back in the early 90s, from the old rave scene. So yeah, we got them here tonight on the main stage. So yeah, anyway, on the loop. We have just got the most amazing load of fries ever. You saw right in my mouth there, didn't you? Good load of fries.
So I tripped on the field.
Where's that going? Right, let's eat these before they get cold. Good morning, everybody. As you can probably hear from my voice, I'm feeling a little bit worse for wear this morning. I think Nat is. How are you feeling?
Good.
Not the longest of videos, I'm afraid, because we were just out there enjoying ourselves more than anything, weren't we? Mm-hmm. But we had a very, very good weekend. Good weekend. I think the longest segment of this video is me making a pina colada. So it's been a bit awkward because my GoPros are broken. So I need to contact GoPro tomorrow to find out what's going on. Been having a lot of problems with them over the last month. Turning them on with a black screen, and I've updated them. They've given me updates that I've put on there, and I don't know what's going on. So we've had to resort back to the phone. Excuse me, but I don't think there's going to be a lot going on today. I think we're going to chill out, probably pack up in a little while, so we're ready to go whenever we want to go. And
yeah, I might actually just go back to sleep for a few hours. So, anyway, we'll sign this one off here, and thank you very much for liking and subscribing. I can't even talk properly. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.